Board of Orient Express will meet on Thursday to decide on Tata's buyout offer. Industry experts say Orient Express is likely to reject the offer as the valuation is seen as too low. So the big question then, will Indian hotels sweeten the offer from these levels? Nisha Poddar joins us with the latest. Nisha, first up, what are the chances of the Orient board accepting the IHL bid? And then, if not, will Indian hotels sweeten the offer?
It's going to be trial by fire for Ratan Tata's bold bid for Orient Express Hotels, for which he has, remember, offered to pay 40% premium over the current market price or share price of Orient Express Hotels. Now, as we get closer to Thursday, when Orient Express board is going to take the final call on the offer which has been made by Indian hotels, the buzz is really getting louder that at $12.63 per share price at which the offer has been made may not be enough for Orient Express and may not really interest them. In fact, Barclays brokerage firm has really come out with a report today saying that $18 per share is the real asset value for the firm at this point. On the other hand, the Indian analysts have said that Indian hotels' offer is too steep, and at this price it will be difficult for them to do a deal of this nature and then turn around the company going forward. So amidst all this, while Orient Express will take the call, it will be very hard for that company to not drive comparison with the last offer that was given by Indian hotels, which was, remember, at $60 per share for Orient Express, and now it's come down to about $12 per share. But then it's not an apple-to-apple comparison because the scenario has completely changed. But at this point, there are reports which suggest that Tata's may look at sweetening their offer if Orient Express doesn't find much interest in the present offer. And also remember, Ratan Tata is at the fag end of his long and glorious career, and this is one deal that he always wanted to clinch and has been eyeing for a long time.